Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is good old Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. It's almost time for good old Santa Claus come down the chimneys. And you guys could do some Amazon shopping, put some on your wish list, get one of these at a low cost, save some Santa Claus some time. And now we're gonna have one of these guys to show you. Not sure what this is. And you guys can check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer at a low cost, fast shipping, and bada boom, bada bing, we have, whoa, oh, this is a good one, mountable aluminum 10 port port hub with charging USB 3.0, mountable aluminum. Oh yes, this is a Mac Daddy. Guys gotta get these now, especially with everything going with this technology out there. Need more USBs and more HDMIs, and holy moly, I never thought it would be like this. That's all the good stuff it does in the back. But definitely I love technology, and it's interesting stuff that you could do, put together, and see the outcome and how it goes. It's pretty sweet. So definitely let's take a look. Like I said, all you gotta do is click the link down below and you guys will see their goodies. So this is what the package contains. One 10-port USB 3.0 hub. Mounting brackets is always good. So for me, I'm not sure where I'm gonna mount this yet, so I'm just gonna do it open. Not mounted, but unmounted, but I'll show you the mounts. So you get the USB cable, DC. I think I got 10 items to put onto this USB thing. Hopefully, show you the full charging shebang. This is sweet though. Look at this. There they are. It's like, kind of like bro. Look at that. You have it standing like this, like a tower. Bada boom. But this will be on my computer desk, but right now I'm just showing you the unboxing part. Do a little setup in a second. Sweet. Here's a power cord and a SS. Boom, boom. This will look like sideways. Probably have it like this for now. But you can have your mic in here, your keyboard, charge up your tablets, your phone devices. So many choices, like I said, with these now, your iPads. And there's one in the brackets. And we got, what is this? Oh, little stickies. Just stick it on. Alright, alright. Now here is cords, USBs. Oh boy. Alright, alright. So thank you guys for sending me this to show the YouTubers what you guys could get at a low cost. And all I gotta do is click on the link. You guys can get this shipped out to you in no time. You never know. So that's standard power. Got that right there. You just plug it in. I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. Gotta make sure we take off this little twist ties. There we go. Pretty long cord, so that's cool. Take the power cord and shove it in the hole, and then blah, like so. That's all this, and then oh, this is for the adapter. I'm gonna jump on my computer and show you what I mean, how this thing works. So this is gonna help me out save some power supplies for other things. Power standard, pretty lengthy. There we go. Okay, just simple plug in. Make sure it's nice and snuggles. There it goes. Oh, maybe not. I had it right first way. There it goes. Make sure you get it good in there. You can hear it click. I don't know if you guys heard it click, but it clicked. So I got that plugged in. We got one of these bad boys. I don't know if I need this right now. I'll show you what it does. Pretty strength. Good strong type USB. Let's plug it in and back here. Bada boom. Alright, we're gonna hop on over to my computer. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, I got it plugged in. We got the power light on. We're gonna plug some stuff in. I got a lot of things going on right now. I've just been kind of remodeling some of my stuff in the computer room. Had to upgrade the TV and stuff like that. So excuse the mess, but let me show you this bad boy I could do. There we go. Alright, make sure that's cleared. So you can just plug it in. Like I said, you can have it sideways, standing like this. So we'll probably do that for now. Next we'll lay it down. So we got plugged in. You can have, I got my vacuum, kind of like a portable vacuum cleaner. Got one of those. I'll use my tablet to charge. One of my tablets that I use for my monitors for security cameras. So we'll see if that goes. Testing. Everything should be good. Yep, it's already started to charge. Blue light means charging. That too is plugged in. So I got the vacuum tablet. Got one of these. And that red light is on too, so that's charging. Hey, this is some powerful stuff. And probably could have like the NES Classic, stuff like that going on to that too. PS Classic, definitely that one over there. Got that running on that TV now. So you could just usually these kind of for the trackers. That's what I call them, trackers. I think it should be easy. Plug in. It should be going in a second. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, so that's charged. Charged. Only got 3. Look how many another tablet you could throw in. This is crazy. A camera. Like I said, I'll be using my tablet permanently, so I need one of these to have all running at once. Yeah, one of these mini cameras. You can just plug it in, have it charged. So that should be charging out right there. See, it's charging right there. Alrighty, we got tablet, the vacuum, camera, smart switch, tablet. So there's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more USBs you guys can have up to. This is insane. And like I said, it is mountable, so I'm not sure where I'm going to mount it yet, but it should be easy mount to do. On the side, there's the screws. So you got to mount it with those brackets they got. But like I said, I'm not sure where I'm going to have this position, and I'm still waiting for one more part to come in to have this computer room 100% set up. This thing definitely is going to save me some space. I mean, look at that. So now I just got to figure out where I'm going to mount it. And definitely happy with this one. Pretty powerful. I'm going to jump back onto the other table and see how many hours it charges and all that good stuff. I'll be right back. Alright, we're back on the other side. So that's what I was talking about with the installation. And that's how it's done. In case you guys lose your directions, I'll keep these up on here. Be easier for you guys to go back to. And there's features, wide compatibility, sorry about that. Multiple ports, that is for sure, up to 5 Gbps data transmission, simulated charging on your cell phone, tablet, convenient plug and play, scratch resistant. Alright, mounting brackets, blue LED indicators to show your power status for each 10 ports. Damn, we saw that. That is amazing. Really happy with this one, guys. So if you guys don't know what to buy somebody and that's in the tech field, this would be another good one to get, especially all you vloggers. And if you guys got YouTube buddies out there and you guys still talk, this would be another great one to get for them. Awesome to take down the road. And yeah, we covered pretty much everything, so definitely check them out. Like I said, there's brackets and a sticky thing to put down. But like I said, I don't know where I'm going to set that up yet. So you guys be safe. Have a great weekend. That is it for today. Check them out while you still can. These are selling out fast. So be safe, YouTubers, and have a good weekend. See ya.